अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मसरूर एजुकेशन इनसाइट्स। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ पास्ट पेपर्स में से कुछ जो कि मुख्तलिफ एंट्री टेस्ट के अंदर कई दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुके हैं। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, गीगा फैक्ट्री इज़ ओन्ड एंड ऑपरेटेड बाय। टेस्ला इज़ द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ the total height of Mount Everest is? Answer is 8,848 meters. Next question is the population of world is? The answer is 8 billion. Next question is the world highest mountain is Mount Everest. The second highest mountain is? K2 is the right answer. Next question is Yangtze River is the longest river that entirely flows within one country. It flows in? Answer is China. Next question is the city of Samarkand is located in? Answer is Uzbekistan. Next question is the world's oldest tennis venue is? Answer is Wimbledon. Next question is what was the old name of Sri Lanka? All of the above are right. Next question is the Order of Rising Sun is highest military award of? Japan is the right answer. Next question is Nelson Mandela International Day is celebrated each year on? Answer is 18 July. Next question is Blue Mountains are located in? Answer is Australia. Next question is how many mountains have altitude of more than 8,000 meters above sea level? Answer is 14. Next question is world's largest salt mine is Sifto salt mine. It is located in? Canada is the right answer. Next question is in terms of population, which is the largest country in the world? India is the right answer. In terms of area, which is the largest country in the world? Russia is the right answer. Next question is the Gobi Desert is located in northern China and southern? Answer is Mongolia. The next question is the temperature in Gobi Desert is? Answer is cold. Next question is according to the scientist, the world's largest animal is? Answer is blue whale. Next question is which country is lowest in the world and rising sea level is the biggest threat to its existence? The answer is Maldives. Next question is which country is surrounded by South Africa from all the sides? Answer is Lesotho. Next question is the world's longest international border is between? Answer is Canada and United States. Next question is Airbnb is an American dash company. Answer is home rental. Next question is Africa largest tropical rain forest is located in? South Africa. Next question is the headquarters of Nvidia Corporation, an American technology company, are located in California is the right answer. Next question is the average thickness of the ice sheet in the Antarctic continent is about. Answer is 1.9 kilometer. Next question is the whale is one of the largest animal in the world. Which type of whale is known as a killer whale? Answer is orca. Next question is in terms of area, Antarctica is the largest continent. Answer is fifth largest continent. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button.